Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On this episode, we're going to do something, you don't got to dress up to make, but it is a dressed up drink in a sense of what it's called, right? It's called a bow tie, right? So bow tie is cognac based. I'm going to use some Douce, and we're going to start off with 2 ounces of cognac. If I can find my jiggers. Next, we're going to use 1 ounce of dry vermouth. And last, we're going to give it a little sweetness with some pineapple juice. Just 3/4 of an ounce. Just a little sweetness. Give this a good stir. All right, we're going to pour it, strain it into a rocks glass with 1 rock. A nice full cup. So what we got here is an elegant drink for any occasion, the bow tie. Cheers. It's a good drink. It's a really good drink. If you're a cognac drinker and you want to look for something different besides Henny and Coke, or if you're old school, drinking Incredible Hulk still, you shouldn't be, try a bow tie out. I think you'll enjoy it. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.